So today we will again see the how our stocks that are that are performed, also Nifty and Banknifty indices. So today was a very flat day, and only stock specific action was seen in the market. So what happened today? So with respect to Banknifty, so Banknifty is still struggling to go beyond this 37,900 level, and we have 38,050 or 70 as a target, and then 38,240 as a target beyond that on a daily basis. So Banknifty is kind of struggling to go above 38,880 or 900 level. So that's one impression. So now it might look like a sell for tomorrow, and we may even see level of 37,200 or some downside, I think, for tomorrow. So we have to be just careful with the bullish part, and we have a huge support again here, 37,350 to 200 zone. So just be watchful for any bounce in that zone, but I am expecting that we may even break that, and we may test 36,900 also in the coming days. So it all depends on again the price action and things like that. So we just have to be open-minded with the targets. So if 37,900 is taken, we will take a target of 38,080 and we will go for a buy. If 37,350 to 37,200 is broken, then we will go for a target of 36,850. So that's the way it's going to be for Banknifty. So for Nifty, again, it's been a range bound day, and Nifty has a major support at 17,600 level. So if this is taken out, then we are likely to see 17,500, and below that also we will see 17,150 or so in the coming days. And Nifty has given 15-50 negative signal in hourly. So another point which I forgot to mention about Banknifty is Banknifty still has not covered this 37,200. This particular gap, it has not covered completely. So this gap might get covered tomorrow or in the coming days, and or even may go lower. So we will have to again see how this is going to perform. Okay, based on price action and other rules we have in the cards. So now we see that Nifty again, it has given a moving average sell signal in the hourly, 1550 moving average sell signal in the hourly. So if it breaks, it has a high chance of breaking these support zones, and we may even see 17,500 or even 17,150 in the coming days. So we just need to be watchful for this region. Okay, so 17,780 to 17,500 is going to be range bound. It's going to be intraday specific, and you have to watch out. Okay, and HUL, so it is still not that much negative. If you take a look at 5 minutes, we have 100 200 negative in the 5 minutes. However, in the other time frames, it is still pretty much on the positive. So we have 2,125 is a major support zone for HUL, and again 2,080 to 2,050 will be the next support zone for HUL. In case if it comes down, you can definitely buy for a target of 2,350. So, and we can see that in hourly also, HUL has had a positive crossover between 100 and 200 moving averages in hourly. So this ensures that there will be a definitely a rally from the support points. So we'll have to just watch out for the support point, and based on signal we can always enter. And Bajaj Finance, as expected, again it's still again it's range bound. It tried to go beyond this point and it didn't go, and there's not much of a movement. It's a very slow day for the stock. So we'll again have to watch out whether in the coming days if this particular zone is broken. So 7,227, if that particular zone is broken, then 225 to 7,300. Okay, so that's the zone we have to watch out for. If this is broken, then Bajaj Finance will have a 350 points fall, similar to Nifty and Banknifty. For Nifty, we have the 17,500 level, and Bank Nifty we have the 37,200 level. So ICICI Bank, it is still standing tall above the 754 level, 755, 754 level, and it may inch towards 776. However, so we can see that there is a price channel that is stuck in for ICICI. So what is the price channel? So today's high is kind of marking a price channel in ICICI Bank. So it's this particular price channel. So what is the probability of this going down now? It's we have to just take a look at it the coming days, and 730 will be a major support for 730 to 740. Okay, and depending upon weekly closure and other stuff, ICICI Bank may further pursue to 776. So I'm still bullish in the market. Just need to be cautious of the various support level and the price action. Okay, and Tata Motors, as is, it's still again not much of a movement. It is moving within these zones and this particular trend lines. So we'll have to watch out for that in the coming days, and it's going to be purely intraday till that point. Not much of a move. ITC, again we can see that people are calling it a breakout. It's going to go to 300, 350, 400, 500. All these targets are coming up, but however it is still trading within this particular channel in the daily, and it has had a wonderful rally from 207 to 267. So I'm expecting some kind of a correction here. So I won't be surprised if ITC comes back to 220 level or 215 level. So just need to be watchful. If it breaks this particular trend line, then we can definitely go for a buy, and it's going to be a major target. So we don't know about that yet. So when it's going to break out and things like that. But however, on the bottom side, it still has this support near 220 or 250. So that's one thing to watch out for ITC. So I don't see a breakout yet in ITC. That's what I just want to say. Okay. And HDFC Bank, as we can see, it was again range bound, and we know that we were expecting HDFC Bank for 1480 level. So that gives away the tips for Nifty, Bank Nifty also. So this is going to fall down, then Bank Nifty will obviously come down. So 1480 will be a major support for HDFC Bank, and beyond that we will have to see how much more it can hold. So my expectation is 1480 will be a major support on a weekly closing basis, and the worst case scenario we should see a rebound from 1454 or 1400 level. So we will see about that in the coming days. Okay, so thank you all.